strong vigor of the waves are skimming barren summits to the verdant plains. Each horizon is a new beginning. Rise and reign, far from the fjords and